Good day, I am Mr. Nava, the President of Rice Union. I have been elected as the President to the Nabotas Integrated Industrial and Retail Workers Federation, or NERF, established this 2026. We are a coalition representing the backbone of our local economy, from the production of clients to the pharmacies and retail stores.
I am Ms. Legit, the President of Brightline Manufacturing Workers Union.
I'm Ms. Ortiz, President of Primrose United Pharmaceutical Workers Union.
I am Ms. Amante, President of United Tech Manufacturing Workers Union.
I am Ms. Bungot, President of United Retail Workers Union.
Our logo features a girl, a shopping bag, and a juice found by our Red Ribbon Solidarity. Our mission is to unify the every sector under fair labor standards. And our vision is to ensure that every worker's dignity is protected through organized collective action.
As a federation, our primary instrument for justice is the collective bargaining agreement, or CBA. It is a legally binding written contract between the employer and the union that dictates the term and the condition of the employment. The purpose of CBA is to establish industrial peace and fairness. It ensures that our wages, benefits, and safety protocols are not just company policies but enforceable rights.
The advantage or significance for workers it guarantees job security and fair pay. For employers, it ensures a stable, productive workforce and formal process for resolving labor dispute without work stoppage.
So the methods of the process involved have 4 key stages. So first is the negotiation where we management at the table. Second is the ratification where our members vote to approve the deals. And the last is the third is the execution and the final administration to ensure every term is honored. At the Brightline, we advocate for hazard-free and strict safety standards in the manufacturing sectors.
At Primrose United, we stand for the healthcare rights and wellness of our pharmaceutical workers.
At United Tech, we push for career development and technical training for every labor.
At United Retail, we demand fair scheduling and just compensation for our frontliners.
And at Rice Union, we champion security and equality for all members of this alliance. 5 unions, 1 federation, 1 vote. To the power of the CBA and the strength of the NERF, we stand ready to protect the future of the Filipino worker. Together, we are unbreakable. One voice, one strength, NERF!